How to verify ID on ID.me. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify yourself on ID.me. Now to verify, you'll need a mobile phone that has a camera and then government issued photo ID and then social security number. Now how to verify, let's get into it. You want to go to your partner's website and select sign in with ID.me or verify with ID.me. So once you do so, you want to sign in with your ID.me account and select the self-service if prompted. Follow the prompts to upload your US driver's license or state photo ID, or select change document to upload a passport or passport card. So as you can see here on the picture, then you want to take and submit a video selfie. Your selfie will only be used to confirm that the person in the selfie matches your government ID. Once you do so, when prompted, you want to enter your phone number and social security number. After that, you want to enter your US address and then review your information, then select yes to confirm it is accurate. Finally, from the authorization screen, review the information that the partner will receive and then select allow to consent to share that information with them. So this way you can verify your ID on ID.me. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.